Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about standard 8th subject Sanskrit and the first topic by the name Vandana or prayer. Now today we are going to see workbook fill up for Vandana. All the questions we are going to see one by one, and the very first question is for each of the given questions. Choose the correct option and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First MCQ, Surya Bharati ka asti? Surya Bharati ka asti? Answer is B. Devi Saraswati. B. Devi Saraswati. Second, Nad Brahmamayi Vagishwari का अस्ति? नाद ब्रह्ममयी वागीश्वरी का अस्ति? आंसर इज डी. देवी सरस्वती. डी. देवी सरस्वती. थर्ड वन, what does the word Sharanya mean? What does the word Sharanya mean? Answer is A. The one who protects or saves. A. The one who protects or saves. Fourth number MCQ is, what does Mukhra Kavita mean? What does Mukhra Kavita mean? And the answer is B. Discursive poetry. B. Discursive poetry. Now fifth one, where does the poet beseech Goddess Saraswati to be seated? Where does the poet beseech Goddess Saraswati to be seated? And the answer is C. On his swan-like mind. On his swan-like mind. Sixth, by saying Bodhi Vikasham Kuru. By saying Bodhi Vikasham Kuru. Which development does the poet mean? Answer is C. Development of complete intelligence. Answer is C. Development of complete intelligence. 7 number, what does Kuntha Vishharini means? What does Kuntha Vishharini mean? And the answer is D. One who destroys the poison of the mind. One who destroys the poison of mind. Next MCQ number 8. That is goddess blank, at whose feet gods and saints bow down. Answer is A. Saraswati. A. Saraswati. 9 number, there are blank fortnights in a month. There are blank fortnights in a month. So the answer is B. 2. Answer is B. TWO 2. 10 number, the word Vimal means blank. So answer is D. Clean. Answer is D. Clean. 11 number, the Sanskrit word of the word talkative. The Sanskrit word of the word talkative is, so answer is A. Mukhara. Answer is A. Mukhara. Now exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the poem. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the poem. First one, Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati blank. So the answer will be Surya Bharati. Answer is Surya Bharati. Second, Vayam Tava blank Pranamama. Vayam Tava blank Pranamama. Answer is Charano. Answer is Charano. Third one, vayam te blank gachamah. Vayam te blank gachamah. And the answer is Sharanam. Answer is Sharanam. Fourth one, hara blank kuru bodhi vikasham. Hara blank kuru bodhi vikasham. And the answer is Jadata. Answer is Jadata. Fifth, हे देवी त्वमसि ललित कलामयी blank. हे देवी त्वमसि ललित कलामयी blank. And the answer is ज्ञान विभामयी. ज्ञान विभामयी. Sixth, हे देवी तव पदकमले अस्माकं blank आस्ताम्. हे देवी तव पदकमले अस्माकं blank आस्ताम्. And the answer is Mati. Answer is Mati. Now you can see the blank lines over here. In this given lines you have to copy down the blanks which is already written above. So as above you have to write down in the given space answers or full blanks. Now question number 3. Put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First one, हे भगवती भवानी त्वं जय. Answer is wrong. Second, हे वागीश्वरी देवी त्वं नाद ब्रह्ममयी असि. And the answer is right. Third one, हे सरस्वती त्वं मम मानसहंसे आसीना भव. The answer is right. Fourth one, सरस्वती बोधि विकासम हरति जड़ताम च करोति. Answer is wrong. Fifth, हे देवी तव पदकमले नह मति आस्ताम. So the answer is correct. Exercise number 4, in which they are telling us that match the columns A and B correctly to make complete sentence. Column A and column B. In that column A, first one is Nada Brahmamayi. So answer is Nada Brahmamayi Jai Vagishwari. So the answer will be C. With first C will be match to complete the sentence. Second one, Lalita Kalamayi Gnana Vibhamayi. And with that the answer number D will be match. Veena Pustaka Dharini. Lalita Kalamayi Gnana Vibhamayi Veena Pustaka Dharini. Third one, Harajadta Kuru Bodhi Vikasham. Harajadta Kuru Bodhi Vikasham. And with that K will match. Sita Pankaja Tanu Vimale. So we have seen exercise number 4, match the following. Now exercise number 5, in which write correct meaning of the given Sanskrit word according to the poem. Now see the first one, Kundah. Kundah. The meaning of the word is a mogra flower or jasmine flower. See, according to our textbook, it is mentioned that jasmine, Kundah means jasmine flower, and in digest it is written a mogra flower. So we will take both here. Kundah means a mogra flower as well as a jasmine flower. Tanuha. The word Tanuha means body. Third one, Tuhinah means snow or ice. Fourth one, Vimala means pure or clean. Fifth one, Mukhra. Mukhra means discursive or talkative. Sixth one, Vagishwari. Vagishwari means one who has a voice like gods. And seventh one, Daval. The word Daval means white. Exercise number 6. Find out the true synonym of the Sanskrit words. Find out the true synonym of the Sanskrit words given below from the options given against them and right. So we have to find out the synonym, and two options are given. From that we have to select the correct option. Let me see the first one. Sur Bharti means Vagishwari or Vardeshwari. So the correct answer is Vagishwari. Second, Matih, Bharti or Buddhih. So the correct answer is Buddhih. Third one, Shashi, Himanshuh, Himah. So the correct answer is Himanshuh. Fourth one, Davalah, Sita, Sweta or Karah. So the correct answer is Sita, Sweta. Both means white. Fifth, Charano. So two options are given, Hasto, Pado. So the correct answer is Pado. And sixth one, Kamalam. Two options are given, Prakasham or Pankajam. So the correct answer is Pankajam. Exercise number 7. Answer each of the following question in one sentence in Sanskrit. First one, Nad Brahmamai Vagishwari ka asti. Nad Brahmamai Vagishwari ka asti. So the answer is Nad Brahmamai Vagishwari Devi Saraswati asti. Nad Brahmamai Vagishwari Devi Saraswati asti. Second, Saranya Devi Sharada Tribhuvane Kidrushi asti. Saranya Devi Sharada Tribhuvane Kidrushi asti. So the answer is Saranya Devi Sharada Tribhuvane Dhanya asti. Tribhuvane Dhanya asti. Third one, Navarasa Madhura Kavita Mukhra Kidrushi Vartate. Navarasa Madhura Kavita Kidrushi Vartate. So the answer is Navarasa Madhura Kavita Mukhara Vartate. Mukhara Vartate. Fourth one, Saraswati Kam Harati Kim Cha Karoti. Kam Harati Kim Cha Karoti. So the answer is Saraswati Jadta Harati. Saraswati Jadta Harati. Cha Bodhi Vikasham Karoti. Cha Bodhi Vikasham Karoti. Fifth one, Kesham Matih Saraswatyah Padkamale Astam. Kesham Matih Saraswatya Padkamale Astam. And the answer is Matirastam Matih Saraswatyah Padkamale Astam. Matirastam Matih Saraswatya Padkamale Astam. 8 number question, in which answer each of the following questions in one sentence in English. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in English. Very first question, to which goddess do the gods and saints bow down? To which goddess do the gods and saints bow down? Answer is to goddess Saraswati, the gods and saints bow down. To goddess Saraswati, the gods and saints bow down. Second, Goddess Saraswati is fair like womb. Goddess Saraswati is fair like womb. So the answer is Goddess Saraswati is fair like the mogra flower, snow and the moon. Goddess Saraswati is fair like the mogra flower, snow and the moon. Next question, what does Goddess Saraswati develop? What does Goddess Saraswati develop? So the answer is Goddess Saraswati develops our intelligence. Goddess Saraswati develops our intelligence. Next, question number 4. Which type of body does Goddess Saraswati have? And the answer is Goddess Saraswati has the body like a pure white lotus. She has the body like a pure white lotus. Fifth number, what is the meaning of Kuntha Vishharini? What is the meaning of the word Kuntha Vishharini? And the answer is the word Kuntha Vishharini The word Kuntha Visharini means, O goddess, remover of the poison of mental slyness. O goddess, remover of the poison of mental slyness. 9 number question, exercise number 9, in which they are telling us that translate the following verses into English. Translate the following verses into English. First, त्वमसि शरण्या त्रिभुवन धन्या सुरमुनि वंदित चरणा नवरस मधुरा कविता मुखरा स्मित रुचि रुचिराभरणा. Now the translation is like this. O goddess, you give refuge to all. You are the praiseworthy in 3 worlds. On one at whose feet gods and saints bow down, sweet due to 9 rasas, has lots of words like a discursive poem, and wearing ornaments that shines brightly due to the brilliance of smile. Second one, आशीना भव मानस हंसे कुंद तुहीन ससी धवले हर जड़ता कुरुबोधि विकासम शीत पंकज तनु विमले. So the translation of this paragraph is, O goddess, who is fair like the mogra flower, snow and the moon, be seated on my swan like mind. O goddess, with the body like a pure white lotus, you take away my lethargy, ignorance and develop my intelligence. Now third number, in which ललित कलामयी ज्ञान विभामयी वीणा पुस्तक धारिणी मति रास्ताम नो तव पद कमले ऐ कुंठा विषहारिणी. So the translation is like this. O goddess, with attractive skills, with the brilliance of knowledge, holding a veena and a book, remover of the poison of mental slyness, may our intelligence rest or stay at your lotus-like feet. So here our topic number first, Vandana, is over. You may note down all the exercise in your workbook in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.